Now it's time to put everything we've been working on together on a page. Now for this example, I used Google Sheets, but you can do this on Photoshop, Illustrator, Word, whatever document you have available to you. So we're going to look for images on Pinterest, find the best ones as we did for our brand profile, and then add them to our page here. Once again, choosing about 4 images that describe Helena perfectly, or Sarah, or whoever your person is. At the very top, we'll write in the information that we went over earlier in this video, creating our perfect customer profile. So now that we've narrowed it down, we have the next page of our portfolio complete, right?
Right, that's so customer profile done, check.
Yeah.
Page 2, in the next video, we'll cover mood and color. So stay tuned. See you next one.
Stay tuned.